Hey everyone, it's Dan again. Hey, I just wanted to pass on. I was working on my website and I wanted a pop up. Um, I had a service that got shut down through AppSumo. Don't know what happened there, but the company now wants only just subscription. So I decided, no way, I'll just find a solution. So I came up with this. Um, Works great, as you can see over here. So what it does, it actually will wait 5 seconds. It works on any page you have the code. Here's the code right over here, which I'll include in this. You can download this right here and actually have the code. Pops up. I have it down here blackened. All the areas you see on it, you can change it. Just type in if you don't know how to work this. Keep it in this form. On the bold areas, just change it, whatever you want it to say. Put your offer in there. I just have it. You're on a page with a 25% off deal. Check it out. So whatever page you put this on, this will pop up on. And of course, you can, if you don't want to do 25%, you can do whatever percentage you want or whatever offer you want. Change the wording altogether. Everything. The button URL goes right here. Everything that's black, you can do. So it's really neat. It's real easy to do. And then all you do is just copy it. If you don't know what to do, copy it, put it in your HTML. If you don't know how to do that, I'm not sure what system you're using, but I'm sure they have an HTML, or maybe you can contact somebody to find where that HTML folder is, and you can just paste this in there into that page and actually have it running. Hope you like this. I think it's pretty cool for free. It's not bad. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you again some other time. Take care. Bye bye.